We're going to practice the whole alphabet all the way from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's go. A is amazing. A is for apple, airplane, and alligator, avocado, and ambulance. B is brilliant. B is for ball, bus, bed, banana, bicycle, and bat. C is cool. C is for cat, car, cup, cow, carrot, and clock. D is delightful. D is for dog, doll, drum, duck, donkey, and dolphin. E is excellent. E is for elephant, egg, ear, eagle, and eggplant. F is fantastic. F is for fish, frog, flower, fox, fork, and fire. G is great. G is for grapes, giraffe, guava, goat, guitar, and gorilla. H is happy. H is for house, helicopter, hen, hippo, horse, and hut. I is incredible. I is for ice cream, ice, insect, igloo, iron, and iguana. J is joyful. J is for jug, jam, jeep, jellyfish, jelly, and jeans. K is kind. K is for king, kite, koala, kettle, kiwi, and key. L is lovely. L is for lion, lemon, leaf, lamp, lock, and ladybug. M is magical. M is for mango, monkey, mouse, milk, motorcycle, and mittens. N is nice. N is for nut, necklace, nest, napkin, and net. O is outstanding. O is for orange, owl, octopus, onion, oyster, and ostrich. P is perfect. P is for papaya, peacock, panda, pineapple, and parrot. Q is quick. Q is for queen, quail, and quinoa. R is remarkable. R is for rabbit, raspberry, rose, rhinoceros, ring, and rooster. Bye for now. S is super. S is for strawberry, sheep, spoon, shoes, snake, and squirrel. T is terrific. T is for tiger, tomato, tree, train, table, and tractor. U is unique. U is for umbrella, unicorn, unicycle, and ukulele. Bye-bye. V is vibrant. V is for van, vegetables, vase, violin, vulture, and volleyball. W is wonderful. W is for watermelon, whale, window, whistle, wolf, and wheel. Can you smile with me? Big smiles. X is exciting. X is for xylophone, and X is for X-ray. Y is yummy. Y is for yak, yarn, yogurt, yo-yo, and yam. Z is zippy. Z is for zoo, zebra, zucchini, 00, and zipper. Yay! We did it! We learned the whole alphabet all the way from A to Z. Parents and kids, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share. Give me your biggest smile. Bye-bye.